Hi, good day. Today, I'm your presenter, Camille A. Bautista from BSN Math 3B, and our learning objectives describe well-defined sets, subsets, universal sets, and the null set, and the cardinality of sets. Last, illustrate the union, intersection, difference of set, and last, the universal set. First, set. A group or collection of objects that have something in common or follow a rule. Sets are represented by capital letters like A, B, C, D, or etc. Braces are used to denote a set with elements separated by commas. Example. Example number 1. Set of primary colors. So A is equal to red, yellow, and blue. Example number 2. Set of fruits. B is equal to apple, orange, grapes, mango, and dalandan. And the last example number 3. Set of even numbers less than 10. So C is equal 2, 4, 6, and 8. Our next elements, the members or objects of a set. Example number 1, set of primary colors. So the elements of the set is equal to red, yellow, and blue. So given that set A, it is equal to red, yellow, and blue. For example number 2, set of fruits. So the elements of the set are apple, orange, grapes, mango, and dalandan. Next, we will discuss about cardinal number of set. Cardinal number of set is the number of elements in a set. Example. Example number 1, set of primary colors. A is equal to red, yellow, and blue. So, there are three elements. So, the cardinal number of set A is equal to 3. To more understand, we will proceed for example number 2. Set of fruits. So, B is equal to apple, orange, grapes, mango, and dalandan. So, the cardinal number of set B is 5. So, for example number 3, set of even number less than 10, C is equal to 2, 4, 6, and 8. As you can see, we have the two questions below of the examples. So, the question number 1, do you agree that the cardinal number of set B is 5? Why or why not? And last, what is the cardinal number of set C? So for example 2, it is 5 because we have 5 elements in example 2. And for example 3, we have cardinal number of set C is equal to 4. So let us discuss about a well-defined set. Well-defined set, it is a set with a precise or exact object or an element. For example, number 1, set of primary colors. Example 1 is a well-defined set since it is specifically describes the set of primary colors. There are no other primary colors except red, yellow, and blue. Example number 2, set of fruits. Example number 2 is an example of a not well-defined set since there are different classification of roots and this set might have infinite elements. Next, we will discuss about universal set. Universal set, it is contains all the elements in every set and it is denoted by the letter U. Example number 1. A is equal to red, yellow, blue. And for letter B is equal to green, blue, violet. And for letter C is equal to maroon and pink. So universal set is equal to red, yellow, blue, green, violet, maroon, and pink. As you can see, all of the elements in the set, it is combined or we combine them. We combine them all. So, for example, number 2, A is equal to Meryl and Claire. B is equal to Marco and Camille. So, the universal set of A and B is equal to Meryl, Claire, Marco, and Camille. For example, number 3, A is equal to cabbage, carrots, green peas, and broccoli. For letter B is equal to string beans, squash, eggplant, and tomato. So, can you give the universal set of example 3? Yes, that's correct. So, the universal set of example number 3, A and B is equal to cabbage, carrots, green peas, string beans, squash, eggplant, and tomato. So that is the universal set of A and B. Next, subset. Set A is a subset of B if the elements of A are elements of set B or vice versa. And it is denoted by this, a letter C with the line below. So example number 1, A is equal to P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V. And for letter B is equal to P, S, and T. So B is subset of A because B is a subset of set A since all of the elements of set B is in set A. Another example, example number 2. J is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And for K is equal to 0, 2, 4, and 6. And for the last, L is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. So, K is a subset of J since all the element of set K is in set J. So we have a question here. Do you agree that L is a subset of J? Yes, that's correct. Because L set L is a subset of J since all of the set L is in the set J. Next is null set or the empty set. A set with no elements and it is denoted by the symbol of brace without element or the zero with the line or the empty set. Example number 1. A is equal to set of vowels in the word rhythm. So A is equal to null set or an empty set because it is null set since there is no vowels in the word rhythm. Next, example number 2. B is equal to set of counting numbers between 9 to 10. So B is null set or empty set because it is null set since there is no counting numbers 9 to 10. Remember, counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. For the last example, example number 3, C is equal to set of all even numbers that are also odd. So C, we have a question here. It is null set or not. Why or why not? It is null set because it is clearly a number cannot be odd or even, so there is no element in this set. Understood? So next, union of set. Union of set, it is combination of two or more set and it is denoted by the symbol U. Um, so example number 1 is C is equal to English, Filipino, Mathematics, and Science. And for letter D is equal to AP, MAPE, and ESP. And for letter E is equal to Philosophy, Anthropology. So C is union of D and union of E is equal to English, Filipino, Mathematics, Science, AP, MAPE, ESP, Philosophy, and Anthropology. As you can see, it is like similar to universal set, but in this union of set, we were talking about two or more set. For understand, we have example number 2, set of colors in the rainbow. So R is equal to red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And set of colors from the flag of the Philippines. So F is equal to blue, red, yellow, and white. So R is union of F is equal to red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, and white. So next we have intersection of sets. Intersection of sets, it is similar elements of two or more sets. And the symbol for intersection is it is like U but binaliktad. So for example number 1, R is equal to red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So for F is equal to blue, red, yellow, and white. So the intersection of the two elements are R intersection of U is equal to red, blue, and yellow. So the red, blue, yellow are the same or similar elements of the two sets. So for example number 2, it is C is equal to English, Filipino, Mathematics, Science, and for D is equal to AP, MAPE, and ESP. And for letter E, it is equal to Philosophy and Anthropology. So the C intersection of D is equal to null set or empty set, because the intersection C and D is a null set since there is no similar elements in C and D. And for the intersection of E, it is null set because the intersection of D and E is a null set because there is no similar elements in D and E. And for the last topic that we will discuss, it's all about difference of two sets. Set of elements in A but not in B. Example number 1. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And for letter B is equal to 2, 4, and 6. So, the difference of A and B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. As you can see, the 1, 3, 5, and 7, it is not in letter B. So, it is the difference of two sets. And for example number 2, C is equal to B, L, U, and E. And for letter B, it is equal to B, L, A, C, and K. So the difference of the two sets CD is equal to UE, because UE, it is not in set A. I know, set B. So for the last example, example number 3, E is equal to chocolate, cheese, and vanilla. And for letter F, it is equal to mango and vanilla. So the difference of two sets E and F is equal to chocolate and cheese. So that's all my report. Thank you and God bless.